How to set Google Chrome as the default browser in Windows 11. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So after you downloaded Google Chrome on Windows 11, it's not set by default to be the default browser. The default browser at the beginning is always Microsoft Edge. So after you downloaded and installed Chrome, you can make it default by two ways. By going to the three dots here and go to settings, and after you open settings, go to default browser section here on the left and click on make default. It will open for you the default apps section in the system settings. You gotta go to Chrome. You can search for it here and write Chrome, Google Chrome, and change the default app for all of these extensions and file types or link types to be Google Chrome. So we're gonna click here and choose Google Chrome. The other way is classically going to the settings, right click, go to settings, and then go to apps, go to default apps, and do the same, go to Google Chrome and change each one of these from here, as you can see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.